Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Alessandro Cravero, the Executive Director of the Globe Panels Group Limited. I'm very eager, I'm very excited to announce the physical presence in the Mexican market. Aislamart started with Mexico started with an online store, and finally, after 1 year and a half, we are physical present here with a new warehouse in Tlalnepantla. Just outside the Ciudad de Mexico. We are in the Mexico state, and we are eager to show you our 600 meters of warehouse where we can stock all the PVC profile that we already have, and with the panels, with all the accessories, like always, that are arriving directly from Europe. And we are very, very excited and glad to welcome you anytime you want in our warehouse. We have also, as well as director of the group, we will promote our 4 brands: Isostore, Aislamart de Mexico, Aislamart de Costa Rica, Globe Panels, and of course the Italian branch, Globelment. Thank you again for following us, and do not hesitate to contact us, as we have a strong team that can assist you in everything you may need. Thank you, and bye-bye.